let's take a look at the digestion of protein that happen in our stomach. So first, once the protein reach our stomach, the brain will stimulate the gastric cells to release gastrin. The gastrin will cause the secretions of gastric juice, which include HCl. HCl, which also known as hydrochloric acid, will cause the denaturation of protein structure by breaking apart the hydrogen and also electrostatic bond in order to uncoil or unfold the protein. HCl also responsible for the conversions of pepsinogen, in which the precursor of the pepsin the release from the chief cells in order to be converted into pepsin. Pepsin, in which act as endopeptidase, will hydrolyze the inferior peptide bond of the protein by attacking the peptide bond adjacent to the carboxyl end of the amino acid that will produce the end product, which consists of primary large polypeptide, oligopeptide, and also free amino acid. All of the three end products will be emptied in an acidic chyme through the pyloric sphincter into the small intestine. So now, let's take a look at the second important organ that involved in the digestion of amino acid, which is our small intestine. The end product from our stomach will enter the duodenum, which will stimulate the mucosal endocrine cell to release secretin and also cholecystokinin, which known as CCK. Secretin and CCK will carried by the blood entering the pancreas, which will stimulate the acinar cell to secrete alkaline pancreatic juice that contain bicarbonate, electrolyte, water, and also zymogen. Zymogen is the important element which responsible for protein and polypeptide digestion. Zymogen consists of trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidases A and B, proelastase, and collagenase. The release of secretin and CCK will also causes the intestinal brush barrier to secrete enteropeptidase. Enteropeptidase will cause the conversion of the trypsinogen to form trypsin that will activate the inactive zymogen to form actin form. The conversions of trypsin from trypsinogen will further convert more trypsinogen to form trypsin and also convert chymotrypsinogen to form chymotrypsin, in which both trypsin and chymotrypsin is known as endopeptidase. The formations of trypsin from the conversion from trypsinogen will also convert the procarboxypeptidases to form carboxypeptidase, which known as exopeptidase. The peptidases that had been produced will enable the peptide digestion and amino acid absorption to occur in distal small intestine. The tripeptidases include aminopeptidases and dipeptidyl aminopeptidases and tripeptidases. It will hydrolyze the tripeptide to yield dipeptide and also free amino acid. Trileucine, in which one of the form of tripeptide will undergo hydrolysis at the brush border, while the other tripeptides such as triglycine or proline-containing peptides will absorb intact and hydrolyze within the intestinal cells. The end product of protein digestion will also called as end product inhibition because it will inhibit the activity of the brush border peptidases. There are two main end products that come from the protein digestion, in which peptide and also free amino acids. Peptides consist of dipeptides and tripeptides.
Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.